This video shows you how to make an easy-to-use indoor worm bin from materials you can purchase at hardware stores. You will need 2 large plastic bins with lids that are the same size. Step 1. Adding drainage. You will use a power drill with a 1/4-inch drill bit. First, you will make drainage holes in the bottom of the inner bin. Turn the bin upside down and drill 20 1/4-inch holes in the bottom of the bin for drainage. Be sure to drill in the areas of the bottom that are lowest when it's upright. Remove any plastic residue from the holes so they are clean and free of plastic curls. Step 2. Adding side vents. You will need a measuring tape, a power drill with a 1-inch spade bit, and 10 1-inch screened louvered vents. Now turn the bin on its side and drill 5 1-inch holes for the louvered vents along the upper edge. Locate the holes 1 3/4 inches from the top edge, spacing each hole about 3 inches apart. Drill straight through the bin one time only. Be careful, pushing the drill through multiple times will make the holes too large and the vents will not be secure. Repeat on the opposite side of the bin. Insert the 1-inch louvered vents into the holes from the outside of the bin. This is your inner bin. Step 3. Drilling the holes for the spigot. You will need the same tools as before. We will show you how to assemble the male hose adapter in Step 4. Next, you will drill a hole for the spigot into the outer bin. Drill a 1-inch hole at the center of one end sidewall, a 1/2 inch from the bottom. To prevent leaks, make sure the hole is located on the flat surface of the bin, not on the curved area. Step 4. Assembling the hose adapter. You will need a male hose adapter, some Teflon tape, and 1 O-ring hose washer. To assemble the hose adapter, wrap the threaded end of the male hose adapter with Teflon plumber's tape to prevent leakage. Stretch and push the O-ring over the thread all the way to the end. Protect the shutoff valve from being hit or damaged to prevent leakage. Step 5. Installing the spigot. You will need a straight hose shutoff. To install the spigot, from the inside of the bin, place the male hose adapter through the 1-inch center hole. From the outside of the bin, screw the shutoff valve onto the male hose adapter tightly. Step 6. Adding the top vents. You will need a power drill with a 2-inch hole saw and 2 2-inch screened louvered vents. Take one of the lids and mark 2 locations for the vents. Drill the 2-inch hole using the 2-inch hole saw bit. Clean off any plastic residue. Insert the 2-inch louvers from outside the lid through the holes. Step 7. Assembling your worm bin. Place the inner bin into the outer bin. Put the lid with the vents on top and the lid without vents underneath. That's it. Your worm bin is ready. If you have any questions, contact us at gardenhotline.org.